Okay, hello. I just want to quickly show you how I work with the Codesandbox refactor. We have gotten to a place now where we can actually run Codesandbox with Overmind and also with Cerebral. So I have my Chrome browser here, which is running Codesandbox with Overmind. And this is just like a local storage setting. And then I have my Firefox here, which is running with Cerebral. And I also have the development tool of Cerebral here, and I have the development tool of Overmind. So for example, when I want to check out removing dependencies, I can first do that inside the Overmind version, and then I can do the same in the Cerebral version. And then I can take a look into the DevTools. So here we have Overmind, and let's find the same one, dependency removed. So let's see what Cerebral does first. So there's tons of logic here. It just indicates the flow of the execution. And then down here, it's actually doing something. So it's kind of like changing the code. It's running some side effect. It's doing something to change module short IDs and the tabs. And there's an executor effect here, then it's saving the code, and so on. And then we can look into Electron. Now, typically I have this on two different screens, but yeah. So here we don't see like the flow of execution the same way. It's just the way, like this is different than Cerebral. But the important stuff is the effects and the mutations we're doing. That's the only thing we really care about. So here we actually see some more information. We can see that it's tracking. We can see it's prettifying the code. And here we start seeing that it's adding the saved code. It's using the module recover effect, which it also uses up here. Oh, sorry, up here, recover save. And we call it module recover here to be more domain specific. And then we can see that it's setting some code, and it's running this executor stuff, which we can see it's also doing here. It's not running any change module short IDs or tabs here. And that's basically because the logic has been improved, because it doesn't affect any tabs or change module short IDs here. And then we can see it's saving it. Again, we are more domain specific. We have API save module code instead of having all this stuff. And we see that it's doing what it's supposed to do. And we could also see it as we actually did it in the UI, that it removed the dependency. And if I refresh here, the dependency should still be gone, and it is. So that's a success. And I can go over to our list, and I've already did this, and we can say, okay, npm dependency removed. It looks okay, though it should probably be tested more, as there are maybe different scenarios. This is actually for all this stuff. But yeah, so this is how I move through all the different pieces of logic. I run it, I check with the DevTools to verify that it's doing what it's supposed to do. And yeah, there's quite a bit more here, but it's moving slowly forward. Cool. Bye bye.